CryptX Financial has established a user-friendly portal to store and exchange the crypto assets you own. Indeed, trading cryptocurrencies was never this easy. Visit app.cryptx.financial and log into your account using your registered email ID and password. Make sure that you have completed your KYC procedure beforehand by visiting the profile section on the top right corner. In the same area, click on Exchange. This page has a primary bar. Below this primary bar, you will find 4 tabs: Buy and Sell, Order Book, Trade History, and Open Orders. Select whether you want to buy or sell by clicking on the Buy or Sell box. Enter the volume of cryptocurrency that you want to sell or buy. Enter the price per cryptocurrency in euro or other cryptocurrency as chosen by you in the selection bar. Click on Buy or Sell and you can now wait for your preferred transaction to be matched. Or you can use the Buy Instant or Sell Instant option to skip the queue and get the best price there is to maximize your profit. In case you are an experienced trader who wants to look into minute details pertaining to market behavior and conditions, the Advanced View option is available for you. Select the Advanced View option located on the extremely right of the primary bar. The elaborate graph on your left side is a detailed report of how your preferred cryptocurrency has been performing in the market. The middle space is the same space for buying and selling which you had in the basic view, except for 2 new features in this page: Limit Buy and Limit Sell. Here, you specify the conditions in which you want to sell your assets by mentioning your stop price and your stop limit. In this case, your stop price is supposed to be lower than your stop limit you want. Similar to Limit Buy, here you mention a higher stop price than the desired stop limit so that you can maximize your profits from the trade. On scrolling down, you will find your Open Orders and Open History tabs in the bottom left corner. In the middle table, you can track the price changes and the trading frequency with the given date and time. The column in the bottom right corner provides regular updates regarding the last price of your chosen cryptocurrency in the last 24 hours. You can always switch back to the previous page by clicking on Basic View, located on the extreme right side of the primary bar. For further queries, you can reach us by clicking on Profile, Contact Us, type in your query, and we will revert as soon as possible. Happy trading!